Hey there, it's that mama, and I finally got my Gellae Nails in, so I'm going to unpackage, and then I might film how we're going to put them on. But in this package, looks like I've got this box, and that's probably my lamp. Yep, that's the UV lamp. Comes with the cord. Let's see what else I got in here. I got, she provided some kind of candy. Okay. Then it looks like alcohol swabs, probably to prep your nails with. And I got my 2 different nails. It looks like, let's see. I don't know if the pictures are depicting right. There's a picture of that one. And then here's a picture of this one. And another alcohol swab and a little self-care jar. Write down, get an empty jar, write down your favorite self-care ideas on strips of paper. And whenever you're feeling down, stressed out, or drained, pull out a strip of paper and then do that activity. Oh, so, nice little thank you note. And she actually hand wrote my name and thanked me and put down my order number so I can repeat order. And I think that is it. And it all comes in a nice package with bubble wrap packaging. So that is the Gellae package. We'll be back when I put the fingernails on and see how they work and everything. Okay, so I've got my 2 kits here. And this one here. So what's inside here in this box, and instructions on the back of the box. Seems really simple. I've got a little emery board kit and a cuticle pusher. And we'll flip this open. And inside here are the Gellae nails. So this is the ones I'm going to use today. So I got a full set. Then we'll come back and I'll demonstrate how I'm putting a set on. Be back. Hey there, it's that mama, and I'm back. Going to film putting these on my other hand. And the first step is you want to wash your hands, and then you want to rough your fingernails up and get them into shape. So we're going to do that really quick. And one thing I can tell you, because I put them on my other hand, is that they do get hard, but they are only covers. So they're only going to cover my nails, the length of my nails. So if I wanted them any longer, I would have to actually glue on some extensions and apply some extensions and stretch them over the extensions and use them to cover. So it's not like you can have them and they extend clear out and they get super duper hard and you can shape and work with them as extended nails. So this is how flat, not very long, my nails aren't very long, you'll see, but get them all roughed up. I'm gonna do it one more time. It kind of gets your oils off and everything. Gets them ready. And you don't have to use any special, any additional treatment to your nails, which was really surprising. We'll just see how long they actually last on my nails if they lift up. Use one of the alcohol swabs that she provides to clean that all off. And then we're ready to start applying. Now, one thing that I did find out is that if you kind of give this a bend and kind of bend it already, it makes it a lot easier to get into. There's a clear protective tape on the top that you take off. And then this is stuck down. You can see I got the clear tape off, and then this is stuck down. And you just kind of start peeling it up and off. You peel it all the way off, and then I take it and I get it centered, and I push right in the center of my nail, and then I stretch it over to one side and get that one side covered really well, and then I come over to the other side and stretch it, and you can just almost just kind of form it on your fingers, and then you can use the orange stick if you want to go over it and really get it pushed down over your nail. Get up here close when I'm doing with the orange stick, just kind of going back over and pushing down where it's going to come off of my nail bed and everything, and around the cuticle, and just smoothing it out. Then you can cut. I'm using an actual nail cutter, and I come right up to my nail and I get that in there, and I cut the excess off. And I use the nail cutter to make a nice straight cut and cut the excess off. And I have actually been saving this excess because in a pinch, that is probably going to be, you know, another nail cover. I could actually probably cover my nail with that again. So I lay it back on here, and I'm going to save it. If I need something in a pinch to cover back over or to go over it again, it just might work, or on another shorter nail. But I tried to go like this. I mean, I guess you can kind of go like this and get it down, but I found out that if I just push it under the lamp, see on the corner I got my, it just clicks on. It has one little beam, you can see it, it has one little beam, and you just hold your nail under there for 60 seconds. And let that bake on. And then I go and file the edges, and this is actually easier to file now since it has gotten a little bit harder. Okay, and there is, clean that up with your alcohol pad. There's the first one. And here's all of mine on this hand. Came out pretty good. Okay, so on to the next one. Let's see. Then I'm going to use another gel pack here. Another swab. Alcohol swab. And I'm going to go back over the tops of these and just give them a little shine up. And you don't have to coat them with any extra. We'll see how long these last this way. And here is this hand. Really nice. Did a good job. So there we go. It's That Mama with Gellae. Bye-bye.